When it comes to insurance, many of us feel like we're being taken for a ride. The concept of paying a premium for protection against potential risks seems straightforward, but the reality can be far more complex. For instance, a $500 monthly health insurance premium might seem like a lot, especially if you're healthy and never file a claim. However, consider the alternative. A single hospital stay could cost upwards of $20,000 without insurance. It's a risk management trade-off that's hard to ignore. The insurance industry is built on the principle of pooling risk. By collecting premiums from a large number of people, insurance companies can afford to pay out claims to those who need it. This is similar to how a community might come together to support a family in need after a house fire. The collective effort provides a safety net that individuals couldn't afford on their own. However, the business side of insurance can lead to perceptions of it being a scam. Companies are for profit, aiming to maximize returns for shareholders. This means they have an interest in minimizing payouts and maximizing premiums. For example, if an insurance company collects $100 million in premiums but only pays out $60 million in claims, they make a profit of $40 million. It's a delicate balance between providing value to customers and ensuring the company's financial health. One of the most significant criticisms of the insurance industry is its handling of claims. Stories of denied claims, lengthy appeals processes, and low settlement offers abound. A notable example is the case of State Farm being ordered to pay $1.1 billion in damages for their handling of hurricane claims. Such incidents erode trust and reinforce the notion that insurance companies are more interested in profits than people. Despite the controversies, insurance plays a critical role in our financial lives. It provides peace of mind, financial protection, and helps mitigate against unforeseen events. Auto insurance, for example, not only covers damages to your vehicle, but also liability for injuries or damages to others. Without it, a single accident could lead to financial ruin. The cost of insurance premiums can be daunting, especially for those on limited incomes. A study by the Insurance Information Institute found that in 2020, the average annual cost of auto insurance in the United States was around $1,400. For homeowners, the average annual premium was about $1,200. These costs are significant and represent a substantial portion of many household budgets. To navigate the complex world of insurance, it's essential to understand the different types and what they cover. Life insurance, for example, provides a death benefit to beneficiaries, helping them cover funeral expenses, pay off debts, and maintain their standard of living. Understanding the terms, including whole life versus term life, can help individuals make informed decisions about their coverage needs. The process of buying insurance can also be confusing, with numerous options and providers available. Comparison shopping is key, as rates can vary significantly between companies for the same coverage. For instance, a 30-year-old non-smoker might find a term life insurance policy for $20 a month with one company, while another company charges $50 a month for the same coverage. Doing your research can save you hundreds of dollars a year. Regulatory bodies, such as state insurance departments, play a crucial role in overseeing the insurance industry. They set standards for companies, ensure compliance with laws, and provide consumer protection. However, the effectiveness of these regulations can vary by state, leading to inconsistencies in consumer experiences across the country. In recent years, there's been a push towards more transparent and consumer-friendly insurance practices. Some companies are adopting usage-based models, where premiums are tailored to individual behaviors. For auto insurance, this might mean lower rates for safe drivers. Similarly, health insurance companies are starting to offer more personalized plans, reflecting the unique health needs and risks of each customer. The rise of digital insurance platforms has also changed the game. These platforms offer quick quotes, easy policy management, and sometimes even lower premiums due to reduced overhead costs. Companies like Lemonade have made insurance more accessible and user-friendly, appealing to a younger demographic that values simplicity and transparency. However, the digital age also brings new risks, such as cyber insurance needs. As more of our lives move online, the threat of data breaches and cyber attacks grows. Having insurance that covers these risks can be invaluable, providing financial protection against identity theft, ransomware attacks, and other cyber threats. Ultimately, whether insurance is seen as a scam or a vital financial tool depends on individual experiences and perspectives. While there are certainly instances of unfair practices and sky-high premiums, insurance also provides a safety net that many couldn't afford to live without. By understanding how insurance works, shopping smart, and advocating for better practices, we can make the most of the system. The future of insurance is likely to be shaped by technological advancements and changing consumer behaviors. As data analytics and AI become more prevalent, insurance companies will be able to offer more personalized and efficient services. This could lead to better risk assessment, more accurate premiums, and an overall more customer-centric approach to insurance. For those considering purchasing insurance, it's crucial to do your homework. Read policy documents carefully, ask questions, and don't be afraid to walk away if something doesn't feel right. Remember, insurance is a long-term commitment, and it's essential to find a policy and provider that align with your needs and values. The role of insurance brokers and agents can also be beneficial in navigating the complex insurance landscape. They can provide expert advice, help with policy selection, and often have access to a range of providers and policies. However, it's essential to understand how they are compensated and ensure their advice is in your best interest. In conclusion, the world of insurance is multifaceted, with both criticisms and benefits. By educating ourselves about how insurance works, its potential pitfalls, and its value in risk management, we can make informed decisions about our financial security. Whether seen as a necessary evil or a valuable protection, insurance plays a significant role in our financial lives. As we move forward in an increasingly uncertain world, the importance of insurance cannot be overstated. Whether it's protecting our health, our assets, or our families, insurance provides a safeguard against life's unexpected events. By approaching insurance with a critical yet open-minded perspective, we can harness its benefits while pushing for a more transparent and consumer-friendly industry. The conversation around insurance must also include discussions on accessibility and affordability. For many, insurance premiums are a significant burden, leading to tough choices between coverage and other essential expenses. Policymakers and industry leaders must work towards creating more inclusive and equitable insurance models that serve the diverse needs of all individuals and communities. In the end, the question of whether insurance is a scam or not simplifies a complex issue. The truth lies somewhere in between, reflecting both the industry's shortcomings and its value in our financial lives. By embracing this nuance and working towards positive change, we can create a better, more just insurance system for everyone.